Hey, what's going on, you guys? I figured while I was down here that I would film these old abandoned railroad tracks. This line has been shut down for a long time. And where I'm at right now, this is the rear end of a train yard. These lines over here, all that's still active. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of tracks over there. And this thing that you see right here, that is a derailer. And this is where the switch used to be. So what that derailer's for is in case if some cars got away, some railroad cars, that would prevent them to continue on that way towards the road. And this was the area that I was in when I filmed my escape video. I was down here screwing around one day and pissed some homeless guys off. But as always, I got away. But yeah, these still connect. These still connect to these lines up here. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 switches. But all the rest of these lines over here are still active. Now, how you can tell when a line is still active, the tracks will be shiny like that, as opposed to rusty like this. So yep, this line was shut down probably before I was born. Excuse me. But yeah, that's what this thing is a derailleur. So in case if some cars got loose from, well, I already said that. In case if some cars got loose or switched out accidentally, they wouldn't continue on, and I'll show you where they would end up. And that would be an absolute catastrophe. Being down here reminds me so much of my freight hopping days. I won't say my riding days are over with, but I haven't rode in a while. So yeah, if the cars was to get loose, if some cars were to get loose coming this way, there's a retaining wall over there, and I don't understand where these tracks would have went beyond that retaining wall. That you see over there. I don't know what's on the other side of it besides the river. But yeah, just for a little quick note, this bridge, this is the Clark Bridge. It spans Illinois to Missouri. As you can see, the rest of this is all grown up over these tracks. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching.